I'm gonna show you how to make the best crispy chicken sandwich you guys ever make in your entire life. Hey Salam, I hope you guys doing well. Halal Chef is back with another video, and this time I'm making crispy chicken sandwich. I'm gonna serve it with wings and Nutella milkshake. You're really gonna enjoy it. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. We're gonna start with the chicken, cut it into fillets and even out the shapes. You can use breast, thighs, doesn't matter. Well, let's flavor this with hot sauce, a good touch of the freshly grounded black pepper, MSG, perfect. A good touch of the cayenne pepper, finally some salt. Now give this a really good mix and let it burn for a few hours. For our flour, mix in with a plain flour, here with the mustard powder, celery salt, garlic powder, white pepper, black pepper, paprika, red chili, good touch of salt, dried oregano, and finally some dried basil or thyme. Give that a really good mix and set aside. For the wet batter, crack in 3 eggs. People have been asking if they can use eggs instead of water. Yes, you can, and this is the way to do it. With the soda or plain water, and with the flour. Good touch of the salt and give this a really good mix. Once perfectly mixed, set aside. Alright, let's coat our chicken. Grab your wet batter, your seasoned flour, chicken, and you will also need some plain flour. First of all, you want to grab your chicken, and it goes into the plain flour. Just coat it properly. Shake off the excess. Now this goes into this wet batter and into our seasoned flour. Give this a really good mix. Finally, just shake off the excess. This is exactly what we're looking for. And now this goes into the hot oil. The oil temperature is around 160 Celsius. Just hold it there for a few seconds. You want to let this cook for around 6 to 7 minutes until the internal temperature reaches 75 Celsius. Once the chicken is nice and golden brown, we're going to start removing it. Make sure to drain off the excess oil. I'm also frying some of these wings. Our crispy chicken fillets, done. For milkshake, let's start by decorating our glass. Here I've got some chocolate sauce, hazelnuts with some chocolate. Grab your milkshake glass. This goes into that sauce first. Get rid of the excess sauce. Grab your hazelnuts, coat this properly. Alright, so that looks fantastic. If you want, you can add some sauce inside as well. Now I'm just gonna leave it to the side so it can set completely. Grab your blender in with your vanilla ice cream, vanilla extract, milk, hazelnuts, and finally our Nutella. Cover and blend this until nice and smooth. Our amazing Nutella milkshake, done. Alright, let's assemble this. Grab your toasted bun or spicy mayonnaise. Be generous. No any lettuce today. I'm just gonna use pickles. Can we get another one this side, please? Here we go. Our crispy chicken fillet. Just on the top here. That looks really good. Some of this cheese. Just gonna melt the cheese. Finally top off the bun. Really hope you guys gonna enjoy this. Make sure to like this video. And with your wings, our buffalo sauce. Amazing buffalo wings, done. Serving it with some of these wings. Now with our milkshake. guys, I'm gonna try this. Now before I taste this, can you please do me a favor and like this video? I would really appreciate it. Let's start with our wings. Bismillah. Wow, and the sauce is amazing. Really nice wings, have tons of flavor. Alright, so let's try this. Bismillah. Wow. That is so delicious. One of the best crispy chicken sandwich, trust me. Beef and mayonnaise, pickles, and a crispy sandwich in the middle is so good. What an amazing flavor. I love this. Bismillah. With some of that buffalo sauce. You know what time it is. Let's try our Nutella milkshake. Oh my god. Bismillah. Wow. So delicious. So nice and thick. It's so good. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe, like, it really helps. Inshallah, I'll see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy.
Perfect.